Jesus, thank you for this food. Please bless it and help to nourish and strengthen our bodies. And please help Anthony and Sabrina and Jay and Cami to all be able to be as good looking and have as nice of a body as me someday. Help them to lose all their excess weight. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Excuse me, I have no excess weight.
Seriously, I throw up.
Do you see weight on this tummy? No, siree.
Because I'm fat.
I don't eat. How can I have weight?
Whatever.
Skinny,
Let's
man.
eat. Let's eat.
Yeah, let's just eat, man.
Okay.
We're still good.
You have to eat.
I don't like tomato sauce.
Come on, you have to eat.
Do you have any with cheese?
Here, have.
No, I don't like tomato sauce.
Well, then pick off the cheese and just eat that.
No.
Eat it.
That has tomatoes.
Eat it.
I don't like tomato
You
sauce.
have fine. Eat that.
Did you know that the cheese in pizza has 10 grams of protein, which is essential for building muscle, like me?
Okay, yeah. It's so yummy pizza.
I know, right? So good. Anthony, I think you're fat. You are kind of fat, man.
Just a little.
Not that much, though.
Don't walk so fast.
Do you want your pizza? Are you going to the bathroom?
They just treat me so badly. It hurts my feelings. I'm back.
Whoa, dude, you lost weight.
I know, man.
You look skinny, man.
Thank you.
Wow. Hang on. I can even feel your six-pack. Whoa.
Thank you.
Whoa. Are you okay, though? You're kind of pale. Hey, do you want to know what I'm drinking?
What?
A protein drink. Do you know what protein is for?
Dude, that's Dr. Pepper.
Building muscle.
Diet Dr. Pepper, yeah.
So, Sabrina, do you want some
Jealous.
carrots?
I don't know, diet.
No, I don't like carrots.
I'm
You can
perfect.
have food. It's okay. I don't need to eat. I don't like...
You can't do this. You guys
Sabrina,
can't do this to your body.
Are you going to be losing weight anytime soon?
Says you, Mr. Purdy.
Oh, yeah.
I'll eat it if you don't want to, you know?
I eat a sesame seed. No, too many calories.
Cammy,
Yes?
did I mention that I think you're fat?
You think I'm fat? Like PHAT, right? Physically hot and tantalizing?
No,
I
I mean like F-A-T, yeah. You should get skinny like me. See how skinny I am?
Your belly folds are controlling your life.
No, it's not.
Maybe you should lose some weight, mister.
Dude, no, he doesn't have a six-pack. He has a keg.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's nice.
You can have your pizza
Jealous. Hey, do you know what else is in pizza? 32 carbs. You know what carbs is? Energy. You know what the energy is for? Working out. You know what working out is used for?
I did not want to be the
Getting buns like these. Yeah.
You have to eat. It's good.
You know, if you don't want that, I'll eat that. You know, if you don't want that, I'll eat it.
Alright, you eat it.
Yeah, of course. This is good, man. It's nutrition. Okay.
Okay, who wants dessert?
Yeah. That sounds good.
Dessert.
I'm probably gonna throw up afterwards. Yeah.
I hope there's some without sugar.
Yeah.
No, I'll pass on the dessert.
You don't
I
like sugar?
filled up on yesterday's dinner.
No, you have to.
You're eating.
Then eat an apple or something. Or
Actually, I think I'm gonna go take a jog.
I
I'll
can
go
go.
with you.
No one will miss
Really?
you.
Let's go.
Strengthen my
Take it.
quads.
I need to work on my leg muscles.
I'm gonna go throw up
Getting
again.
a little weak.
I'm gonna go throw up again.
Make sure to dig deep when you stick your
I'm
finger
gonna
in.
go get some dessert without sugar.
I want some dessert too. I'm gonna get some.
Let me see your stomach.
Wanna watch me drink my protein drink?